Hey everyone! In this video, we'll make simple sentences with 20 common English verbs. Let's get started. Open. I open the door. Close. Please close the window. Read. She reads a book every night. Write. I write in my notebook. Walk. They walk to school. Run. He runs fast. Cook. We cook dinner together. Clean. I clean my room on Sundays. Buy. She buys fresh fruit. Pay. I pay for my coffee. Call. He calls his friend. Help. They help their parents. Drive. I drive to work. Watch. We watch movies on Fridays. Smile. She smiles at me. Laugh. They laugh at the joke. Cry. The baby cries a lot. Talk. I talk to my teacher. Listen. He listens to music. Wait. We wait for the bus. Great job! Now you know how to use these verbs in real sentences. See you in the next video.